What's up everyone? Check out my new phone cover. You can play with it. Here's what you need to craft this awesome phone cover. Cardboard, cover glass, a phone cover, compass, pens, a ruler, a pencil, glue, and last but not least, scissors. Let's get crafty. Take your ruler and measure your phone cover's length and breadth. Next, mark out the dimensions on the cardboard and connect the markings with your pencil. Sweet. Time to cut it out using scissors. Now we need to cut the corners so the cardboard fits into the phone cover. There we go. Perfect fit. Remember to mark and cut out a small hole for the camera. I'm going to snap my fingers and use magic to cut out the small piece. Awesome. Now take your compass and draw even circles starting from the middle of the cardboard. Leave some gaps for the doors of the maze. And finally, go over the pencil drawings with a pen. Put the cardboard into the phone cover. Now it's time to make the walls of the maze. Cut out green strips using your scissors. Bend the smaller pieces a bit and stick them to the outside of the cover using glue. There we go! Stick the big monster right in the middle of the maze and add a few ghosts to make it spooky. Now it's time to craft the edges of the phone cover using different sizes of paper cut to the same length. Glue the pieces together and wrap it around the phone cover. Be careful not to get glue on your fingers. So far, so good. Now it's time to add the bowl, plastic cover and frame. Glue everything together. Check it out! You made your own phone cover. Time to play and win.